Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to change the earbud tips on your AirPods Pro, you're in the right place. It's super simple, and in this video, I'll guide you through the steps to remove the old tips and securely attach the new ones. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the old ear tips. First, we need to take off the old ear tips. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Here's how you do it. Grip the base of the ear tip, where the silicone meets the hard plastic part, and gently pull it away from the AirPod. You'll feel it pop off with a little effort, like this. See? Nice and easy. Some users encounter issues with their Apple AirPods, such as a ripped tip. They look for ways to remove the remaining part of the tip so they can attach a replacement tip to the AirPod. I can see on my video screen that my M-size AirPod tips have ripped, and the plastic part is still attached to the AirPods. So please don't make a mistake. You have to pinch very firmly close to the base, near where the tip connects, and slowly pull away from the AirPod. Now, I'm showing you. Step 2. Pick the right size ear tip. Next, choose the ear tip size that works best for you. AirPods Pro comes with 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Medium is usually pre-installed, but if it doesn't fit perfectly, you can try a different size. Here's how you know which size works best. The tip should feel snug in your ear without being uncomfortable, and they shouldn't slip out when you move your head. Let's jump on step 3. Attach the new ear tip. Now, let's put on the new ear tip. Align the oval-shaped opening of the tip with the connector on the AirPod. Once it's lined up, press firmly until you hear a click. Watch this. See how I line up the tip and then press down. That click sound tells you the tip is securely in place. Step 4. Test the fit. Finally, pop the AirPods Pro in your ears and test the fit. Move your head around a little to make sure they stay in place and feel comfortable. If they don't feel right, try a different size. I'm using the large size here because it gives me the best fit. You might find small or medium works better for you. Everyone's ears are different. And that's it. Changing the ear tips on your AirPods Pro is quick and easy, and it makes a huge difference in comfort and sound quality. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.